Welcome all. We are at a juncture where we want to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, carjasus.com and obesitydoctor.in. Today we have with us the founder of carjasus.com to tell us something about what Carjasus does. We have with us Mr. Angel Kansagra. I'd like to just take a few moments to introduce you. Um, Carjasus.com ensures complete transparency and facilitates car buyers in knowing the ongoing deals and offers on their dream cars. On Carjasus, numerous dealers across the city compete for business from their customers. This helps the customers compare the offers, and this comparison helps them to get a broader range of deals in just a few clicks, and that too at the comfort of their home. Uh, Welcome, Mr. Angel. I'd like to, I'd like you to introduce yourself and take us through your presentation. Over to you.
Yep, thank you so much, and thank you, Vyapar Jagat, for creating this very nice event which you have done today. And it's been a pleasure to present to you all and introduce our company, carjasus.com. Um, so before we start, I'd like to say a few words about Dr. Praveen Parmar, who is the founder of Vyapar Jagat. So I've known Dr. Parmar for a few years now, and I would like to say that he's a very nice person, very hardworking, very smart person, and I really hope, and I'm sure you'll join me in wishing Dr. Parmar as well that Vyapar Jagat does go places and is very successful. I have really enjoyed all the sessions since morning. They have been quite interesting, and it's no small feat to actually organize something at this level and this magnitude. So yeah, keep it up. Thank you so much. And yes, coming to carjasus.com, which is our new startup in India. Um, I would like to first say, when you hear the name car jasus, many people think, अरे ये हमारी शायद गाड़ी ढूंढ के देंगे घूम गई तो, but it's not that. It's all about finding the best deals for the customers and also making lives easier for the dealers. So just to give you an example, like what problem we are solving, it's a very 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 basic problem. So if you want to buy a new car nowadays, you go online, do all the searches and everything, and finally what you do is you leave your phone number on one of the websites which you see, and then you leave from there. So you're still not sure what prices you are getting, what's available, what's not available, and all those things. And then suddenly you start getting calls from, like, 10 different car sellers and providers, and after a point you get fed up. And then what you would do is you would go to one dealership, negotiate the price with them. You'll never buy the car in your first visit. You go to dealership number 2, go to dealership number 3, and literally it takes you around 4 weeks to just do price discovery. That's what we call price discovery, because you have still not decided you want to buy the car. And this that's a long time in today's world, because there's so much available out there. If you have already done all your research online and everything, then why not do the price discovery online within, say, 24 hours? And that is what we are trying to provide. So basically what you do is you just don't leave your phone number on our website. When you select your car which you want to buy, which color you want to buy, and everything. And we have a sort of, like, we have created this technology where dealers in the back end, you don't know this, but dealers in the back end are sort of bidding for your business. And literally within a few hours you get real prices at which you can buy a car. It's not like some random price which you see online, and when you go to a dealer, you are loaded with a lot of other expenses and everything. It's a real price. From, say, 5 dealers, you will be able to see the prices, and then you can compare. So suddenly the question which you have in your mind, कि मैं सही price में गाड़ी खरीद रहा हूँ कि नहीं, that question is straight away answered. You don't need to go to 4 dealers physically. You don't need to spend 4 weeks. It's right in front of you. You can make a decision then and there. So that is the convenience we are providing to the customers. And then people generally ask, okay, but that is quite simple thing. What are you doing anything different? So we are not saying that we are doing anything different or we are inventing a very new thing. What we are saying is we are making things simpler, and there's always scope to make things simple as possible. Uh, so uh, so that is the benefit for the customer. I've just described, say, maybe 20-30% of what we are planning and what we are doing or what we have in pipeline. But then going to the dealer side, the main question is, okay, how do the dealers benefit from it? And the easy thing is that dealers actually save a lot of money in sort of resources. So what does that mean is basically they literally spend, I don't know, 15-20 seconds to give a price out there if they have a car in stock or whatever. And we have also developed technology in the back end where these things can be automated in real time, so dealer doesn't have to spend time. They can pre-program it and boom, it goes out. We can sort of configure it with their systems and all those things. So they don't spend much time, and literally, if customer likes the price and everything, we deal with the customer and we convince the customer and do everything at our back end and take the customer with the confirmed booking deposit to the car dealer. So literally, the car dealer saves so much time and money, which they would have spent otherwise. So I'll just give you an example. When a car dealer gets a phone number from one of the online car websites, they have a telesales team who will go and speak to the customers, try and convince them to come to their dealership and everything. Then the customer is convinced to visit them. Then they have the sales team. The customer will meet the sales team maybe twice. Visit over 2 days. And the duration will be 2 or 3 weeks, and after that the customer might agree to book the car. So you see, there's a lot of time and a lot of resources spent in doing this. So we also trying to solve that problem for the dealers. So that's our like basic proposition in a nutshell. uh, but at the same time, what we are trying to do, and again, uh, you know I can go on and on in terms of what we have in pipeline, what are the plans, and what we are trying to address for like hours and hours. But I'll just give a quick introduction here, and if anyone wants to have any more information, I'm always happy to pick up the question after the presentation. But what we want to do is we want to actually make sure that the entire car ownership journey, not just car buying journey, the entire car ownership journey, we look after the customers and the dealers. And what do I mean by that is, when the customer buys a car via CarJasus, they will drive the car, they will have a lot of requirements during the ownership journey, and at the end of 3-4 years they will want to sell the car and buy a new car. So we are trying to capture the whole ownership journey of the customer, and we are trying to deploy a lot of technology behind it to make sure we do this. And few options are helping customers track the way they are driving, uh, maybe helping them in servicing spare parts. That's one thing. Maybe create a loyalty program around it. We are also planning on creating some gamification around it, which kind of encourages like good driving behavior. They can share it with their friends and all those things. So that whole car ownership journey, we want to make it more enjoyable and easier for the customer, because when you buy a car, if you have any issues, you have no clue what to do. Most of the times you rely on the expert, so we want to make sure that the whole journey is smooth for you. Also help the dealers at the same time, because dealers are very important partners for us, and help them get good customers, not just from their local areas. We are not a hyper local thing, but get from the wider city, and connecting them to customers. And that's what they're looking for nowadays, digital presence. So we can become your digital partner if you think about it that way. um, and lastly, also, we are in the process of introducing some innovative financial products. So the loan market is quite big in India, and India has around like 70 to 80% of the car buyers actually get a loan, which is a big number. It's the third in the world actually in terms of the loan penetration. And that area also can do with a lot of innovation, where we can help customers reduce their monthly outgoings, and put some innovative loan structures around in the market. So there's a lot of exciting things we are working on. We have just started, I would say, and we really look forward to making car ownership easier in India.
Yeah, yeah. Is this website the only way to get in touch with you, or is there a number or an app through which they can get in touch with your team?
I can share some details actually. So in terms of I'll share my email ID
Oh,
with everyone in the chat here.
sure,
I'm just typing it as we speak. And also, if you come to our website and you just say, I want to speak to Angel, they will connect you to me.
sure, sure,
So we are very connected that way, like our customer service and everyone. Like it's if a customer comes to our website, we will make sure they're looked after. And one consistent feedback we get is that we are quite honest upfront in this market, which I don't know, for some reason it's quite different because people don't find that quality in the market. And also we take care of our customers. That is the number one thing on our list: customer service and service to our dealer partners. Those are the two biggest priorities.
sure. So, with this, I'd like to thank you for sharing about carjasus.com with us. And I initially, whatever you said about Dr. Praveen Parmar, I would like to second your thoughts on whatever you had to say for him. And thanks for associating yourself as a sponsor with Vyapar Jagat Convention and Awards 2020. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello, Angel. There is one question for attendee. Can you answer that?
Uh,
Yes. So the question from Sarat Jani,
mhm.
how you handle the competition from Car Wala or Car Dekho? Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for that question. I really love answering that question. So, Car Wale and Car Dekho. First thing I would like to say, I have a lot of respect for those companies because what they have done in terms of changing the way people think about online car websites has been quite excellent. They're kind of big players in the market, and they have a lot of organic reach. So. One of their main business model for Carwala and Cardeko is lead generation. So what they do is they get so much traffic on their website, and customers come and do a lot of research on their website. They collect customer details and sell the customer details to the dealers. So what happens is once the dealer gets the contact number, as I said at the start of my presentation, is dealers have to take it from there in terms of converting the customer and everything. They've just got a contact number. What we are trying to do is we are trying to take that a few steps further. So we are dealing with the customers, we are giving them like proper real prices which the dealers provide us in real time, and we convert the customer and take the customer to the dealer as a converted customer. So dealer doesn't have to work that hard, and they can save a lot of time and money. So that's what we're trying to do, because that is what it is. I'll give you an example. Like if you go on amazon.com, right, and if you want to buy a mobile phone, what you would do is you would not if Amazon just told you, okay, this particular mobile phone can be bought in the range of 10,000 to 11,000. If that is the information they give, and if they stop there, and if they just say, oh, drop your phone number and we will see what we can do for you, uh, you will be like, come on, if you're giving me the price, why can't I just place an order here? I just want to buy the phone, give me the price. If it's 10,500, fine, I'll just place an order here, and uh, here itself. So that is what we are trying to do. We are not giving in just information out there. We are actually a transactional website, I would say. So we take you through the whole transaction and make sure you get what you want in a very straightforward, smooth and easy way.